portable electric deep fryers are in growing demand. While you mentioned the appeal for typists and gamers and evaluating switch type and layout, which sounds like a mechanical keyboard, gamers definitely need crispy snacks. Instead of switches, this guide evaluates build quality, heating power, oil capacity, and value to help you find the best countertop deep fryer for your kitchen.
Product number 1. Presto 0511 granpappy Electric Deep Fryer. The Presto 0511 granpappy Electric Deep Fryer is a classic countertop companion for anyone wanting an unfussy, reliable way to fry up comfort food. Designed with a generous 6-cup oil capacity, it sits perfectly between a personal-sized fryer and a bulky family unit, making it a great middle ground choice. This model operates with plug-and-play simplicity. There are no dials or complicated temperature settings to fiddle with. You simply plug it in, and the built-in internal thermostat automatically brings the oil up to the ideal frying temperature and keeps it there. Constructed from heavy cast aluminum, the granpappy features a ceramic non-stick coating on both the inside and outside, which dramatically cuts down on cleaning time. While it doesn't use a traditional drop-in frying basket, it comes with a handy slotted scoop to lift and drain your food easily. One of its most practical features is the snap-on plastic lid, which allows you to store cooled, used oil right inside the unit for your next cooking session. If you want a straightforward, highly durable deep fryer with zero learning curve and effortless oil storage, the granpappy provides outstanding value for its price point.
Product number 2. Presto 05420 Frydaddy Electric Deep Fryer, Black. If you have limited kitchen space but still crave perfectly crispy fries or onion rings, the Presto 05420 Frydaddy Electric Deep Fryer is the ultimate space-saving solution. As the smaller sibling to the Granpappy, the Frydaddy focuses on extreme efficiency. It is designed to make 4 generous servings of food while using only 4 cups, roughly 0.9 liters, of oil, significantly cutting down on waste and ongoing oil costs. Like other fryers in Presto's Daddy lineup, this unit champions simplicity. There are no controls or timers to manage. An internal preset thermostat automatically maintains the perfect frying temperature, so you can focus entirely on the food. The bucket-style design eliminates the need for a wire basket, utilizing an included lift and drain scoop instead. The entire fryer is coated with a high-quality non-stick material inside and out, meaning you can easily wipe away grease splatters without intensive scrubbing. It also includes a snap-on lid for seamless oil storage right on your countertop. For individuals, couples, or anyone needing a highly portable and economical deep fryer for quick batches of snacks, the Frydaddy is a proven, budget-friendly classic that never disappoints.
Product number 3. Presto 06009 10-quart Kitchen Kettle XL Multi-Cooker, Steamer, and Deep Fryer, Black. When you need to feed a large family or host a game day party, the Presto 06009 10-quart Kitchen Kettle XL is an absolute powerhouse. Unlike standard single-purpose deep fryers, this massive 10-quart appliance is a true multi-cooker capable of roasting, steaming, boiling, and of course, heavy-duty deep frying. When used as a fryer, it can easily handle up to 10 cups of food at once, making it ideal for jumbo batches of chicken wings or fish fillets without overcrowding the oil. The appliance is driven by a robust 1800-watt master heat controller that provides precise, adjustable temperature settings to keep oil consistently hot even between large batches. It includes a versatile multi-purpose basket that hooks securely onto the rim for safe draining. Cleanup is surprisingly effortless for its size. Because the master heat controller is completely removable, the heavy cast aluminum pot is fully immersible and dishwasher safe. It also features a premium non-stick finish and a tempered glass lid, so you can monitor your cooking. For those who want high-volume frying capabilities, combined with the versatility of a premium multi-cooker, the Kitchen Kettle XL is incredibly hard to beat.
Product number 4. Hamilton Beach Professional Style Electric Deep Fryer with 3 baskets. For home chefs seeking a true restaurant quality experience, the Hamilton Beach Professional Style Electric Deep Fryer 35034G delivers exceptional versatility and power. Featuring a massive 4.5-liter, 19-cup oil capacity, this heavy-duty stainless steel fryer can effortlessly handle up to 12 cups of food per batch. What truly sets this model apart is its brilliant 3-basket system. It includes 1 extra-large basket for jumbo batches of a single food, along with 2 smaller double baskets that allow you to fry 2 completely different foods simultaneously without mixing flavors. The unit utilizes a powerful 1800-watt immersed heating element, which guarantees lightning-fast heat-up times and superior temperature recovery when frozen foods are topped in. The control panel features both an adjustable temperature dial and a built-in timer with an audible tone, taking the guesswork out of complex recipes. Safety and convenience are also prioritized via a splatter-reducing lid with a viewing window and an easy-detach magnetic breakaway cord that prevents tipping accidents. Cleanup is stress-free, as the heating element is removable and the enamel-coated oil pot and baskets are fully dishwasher-safe. This is a phenomenal choice for serious entertaining. Product number 5. Chefman 4.5-liter deep fryer with basket strainer, XL jumbo size. The Chefman 4.5-liter jumbo deep fryer combines high-capacity cooking with an elegant, modern stainless steel design that looks fantastic on any kitchen counter. Built to handle hefty portions for large families or gatherings, its extra-large 4.5-liter oil reservoir ensures you won't have to keep guests waiting for second batches of French fries or crispy shrimp. It is powered by a robust 1700-watt heating element that delivers fast, even frying, ensuring your food comes out perfectly golden rather than heavy and grease-soaked. Chefman has equipped this model with excellent user controls, including a precise adjustable temperature dial and an integrated timer so you never accidentally overcook your meals. To minimize kitchen messes and lingering odors, it features a safety lid with a built-in viewing window and a charcoal filter. The safety-first design extends to a magnetic breakaway power cord that immediately detaches if snagged. Maintenance is remarkably simple, thanks to the fully removable, dishwasher-safe oil container and frying basket. Offering a fantastic blend of high performance, generous capacity, and straightforward cleanup, this Chefman fryer is an exceptional value for anyone who regularly cooks for a crowd. Product number 6. All-clad electric deep fryer with basket and lid, stainless steel. For the culinary enthusiast who demands premium quality, the all-clad 1700W electric deep fryer is the undisputed luxury pick of this roundup. While it offers a generous 3.5-liter oil capacity, capable of frying up to 2.65 pounds of food per batch, its crowning achievement is the patented automatic oil filtration system. With the simple turn of a dial, this innovative feature automatically drains, filters, and securely stores the cooled oil in a separate container located at the base of the unit. This not only dramatically extends the life of your cooking oil, but it completely eliminates the messy, dreaded chore of manual filtering. Constructed with all-clad signature brushed stainless steel, this fryer is built to last. It features a precise adjustable temperature control ranging from 300 degrees Fahrenheit to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring authentic flavors and the perfect crispy texture for everything from tempura to fried chicken. A large viewing window in the lid allows you to safely monitor progress, while an odor filter keeps your kitchen smelling fresh. Every removable component, including the bowl, basket, lid, and Odo box, is completely dishwasher safe. It is a masterful, top-tier appliance that justifies its higher price tag.
Choosing the best portable electric deep fryer ultimately comes down to your kitchen space, typical batch size, and cleanup preferences. Whether you want the simple, bucket-style efficiency of the Presto frydaddy for quick gaming snacks, or the premium automatic oil filtering luxury of the all-clad for large family dinners, there is a perfect option out there to satisfy your fried food cravings.